Hello everybody and welcome back to my touring Battleship New Jersey with Ryan Szimanski series. This is the final episode of this series. And once again, everybody on screen, I appreciate your generous donations for making this video possible. Also want to give a special shout out to Ryan Szimanski as well as those who volunteer and work for the Battleship New Jersey Museum. It was an absolutely amazing experience that I will never forget. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this series as much as I have. I had a blast making this video, and I had a blast putting these out in the, I know 20-minute videos probably wasn't necessarily for everybody, but I thought it was a nice, easy way to make the videos bingeable for everybody. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the entire series and will enjoy this the most. Today, we get to fire the 5-inch gun. So if you like what I'm doing, punch the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you in the next video.
Oh yeah.
Was that when the captain fired an off?
That happened up the river a little bit, where George Washington crossed the Delaware River in the middle of the night on Christmas to murder the Hessians.
There's nothing more American than that.
We're in German on Christmas?
So this is some of the teak wood that we have recently replaced, and our helicopter pad is covered with tents, so we can hold weddings, proms, comedy shows, soccer games, you name it. We've done all that back here. There's the radar spinning. SPS-49 air search radar, still in use by the Navy.
I was telling these guys before I met up with you, obviously I'm from Jersey, so I know the area pretty well, how coming down 295 you see the Arleigh Burke superstructure.
Oh yeah, like the cornfield cruiser.
Where they test out the Aegis to track all the cars. It's like, has a top gulf and then superstructure.
Here's some more shipboard archaeology for you that's going to be lost when we redeck. The base ring here used to be a 20mm gun, and you can see where the gun tub was welded down. And you can even see the ready service ammunition locker that used to feed the gun.
Now did you
deck to like mark this out, but that must be kind of cool.
Yeah.
I know they did on Wisconsin. They told us that because they added so much extra anti-air, they ended up overbunking the ship by like, I think they set sail with 2,100 people in World War II.
And on us, we were designed to have about 2,000, and we ended up with about 2,800 with an admiral's staff and all the extra anti-aircraft guns and all the extra radar guys as they started adding stuff. So spaces like cruise mess that would normally not be used for berthing had racks in there. There were hammock hooks in places. Some of the various offices around the ship had bunks in them, so you lived and worked in the same exact room. I can't imagine that.
Never get to leave work.
Yeah, exactly.
I know that feeling. I know that feeling. Umbilical. Go ahead.
Yep.
Come on through, guys. I got it.
All right.
Trying to get them up to their gun chute.
Excellent. Just know the weather delayed the Coast Guard ceremony, so we were going to wait till the ceremony was done before.
Okay.
So they're I don't think they're that much longer, but it might be a couple minutes. If you guys are okay with that.
Cool.
We don't want the Coast Guard coming down on us.
Oh, you don't want to fire a 5-inch gun in the middle of their speech?
Department of Defense, they're Homeland Security.
And we're gonna keep heading forward.
Right.
My cousin's the guy that actually put together the Department of Homeland Defense.
Nice. Fun fact, these aren't actually lifeboats.
Oh.
Nope, they were used mostly for like transferring people on and off board.
I guess that's why they're 3 stars, so it's, you know, for fancy people.
Yep. But yeah, they used them for like transport more than anything, because
As they said.
yeah, like they're assuming that
Yeah,
you can store a lot more life rafts on board rather than boats, and boats are more likely to be damaged in a like firefight. So if you actually need them, you're probably not going to have boats.
If I'm not mistaken, isn't that the thing? It's like ships have boats on them and boats don't have so like a submarine's a boat, it doesn't have other boats on it, but like this is a ship because it has boats.
Wouldn't do to have that boat on a submarine. First time it went under it, it'd be sunk.
No, we're with Ryan on the Curious Tour.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm not.
And the gentleman right here is going to be shooting a 5-inch gun after.
Yeah,
okay.
None of that 5 inch is going to happen until this Coast Guard
You're
change
fine.
of watch is over. So
Yep.
We just saw Jack and he
we're all ready for you. We have one in the tube. So it's when this thing is done, we'll
Sweet.
make an announcement. Get you all squared
Want
away.
someone taking a tour and someone shooting a gun off over here.
Someone on your channel was like, see if you could have them shoot off the 16-inch guns. I responded back, I was like, the cities of Camden and Philadelphia would appreciate it if this would fire off the 16-inch guns.
I would definitely start like a pool for that though. I would love it. Be like, hey, you give me a number, we'll try to hit it. With enough people out there wanting to see it, we would probably hit it.
For the 16-inch
That's the crazy
guns, you'd probably
part.
break just about every window in Philly and
We would be
Camden.
buying a lot of windows.
Yeah.
And that poor dog across the Society Hill would probably drop dead of a heart attack.
We had somebody call and complain that us shooting the guns was scaring their dog.
Poor guy.
Jesus Christ,
He must
I
be
wonder
terrified on the 4th of July then.
Yeah.
Or when a
Yeah.
thunderstorm comes through, Jesus.
My dog doesn't do well with either of those.
No,
Yeah.
mine doesn't like fireworks either.
But
Right.
like, my dog's scared of everything. My dog is scared of the cats, the kids, the chickens. Like,
You have a radio, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll call you it's all done and ready.
Sounds good.
So did the carrier sit there and complain enough to now where, like, if you do have a 5-inch gun that's going off, you have to send notifications? Put earbuds on your cup and next walk over.
yeah,
Well,
my pride's and joy. Not my kids. Love them, but you know.
Your
my
chickens?
They supplied breakfast.
You know, one of them does. My son named the one chicken Mommy because I told him it's a hen, so he's named it after the girl's name, so he's like the favorite girl. The other one I named Hennifer because Hennifer Lopez is not laying eggs.
Oh, it feels amazing in here.
That's nice.
Yeah, we were just down there.
Is there anything you want me to do? Like some sort of resource where we can find out where specific shit was during World War II?
Go ahead and start recording early so I don't even have to worry about it.
Son, back up a little further. Back. Last couple of minutes are always the longest.
Right?
God, do we have any more
Boy, this ferry.
transportation?
If he comes up too soon, I gotta check fire.
The timing on that guy coming in front of us is perfect. It's like, we're just gonna delay it a little longer. Don't worry, guys.
We have one spot.
We're in trouble.
That would be the like perfect time to be on that ferry, wouldn't it? Just as you get in front of a gun, it goes off.
Johnny,
Hey, Johnny.
check fire.
We're not ready yet. We still got 3 more minutes.
Okay, that ship will be right in front of us.
Joe Jones, come in.
I got my eye on it.
He's got to wave the trigger at him first.
Yeah, it's like, hi. Wait for it.
Downbound? Yeah, it's the ferry.
All this waiting and now the ferry comes up.
Yeah, they have no idea how close they came to being in the perfect place to get your ears blown out.
With us guys, it's safety first all the
Oh,
time.
absolutely,
Always safety.
100%.
But I mean, it's Philadelphia.
It's the city of brotherly love, right?
I mean, it's not New Jersey. Never underestimate the strong drawing power of the United States.
You mind moving the ferry
Or-
a little bit faster?
Or the guy that's made or born in the middle of nowhere, that's quiet to pretty much everybody, that everybody always talks about. Oh, we don't know what happened. He just kind of snapped one day. He was a nice guy. He was a quiet guy, real quiet.
Fire the 5-inch gun, it's Philadelphia.
We had a sandwich to put in.
Be ready for me, son.
Yes, sir.
Quarter deck, gun crew. Alright, gun crew. Can you make the second 1MC? Because as soon as this ferry passes us, we're going to get ready to fire. Roger that. As soon as he gets to the quad.
You ready, son?
Absolutely. All right, folks, we're getting ready.
Okay.
Approximately 1 minute.
Wait for it.
Mount 56 on the F coordinate ship. 1 minute will require Mount 56. You're on the weather deck, please be aware, it's quite loud.
Gun is hot. Repeat, the gun is hot.
Okay. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Salute. Good job, son.
Awesome.
Listen.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I love it.
Did I tell you?
It is fantastic.
There's cloud cover. With the more cloud cover, you get more
Say again.
echo.
Well done. Let me know when you're ready to start firing a 40. Roger that.
It's awesome.
I told you to enjoy the heck out of that.
Appreciate you, man.
Johnny, nice to meet you.
Dave, nice to meet you.
Matt,
Thanks for letting me have the opportunity to do this, man. This is amazing.
we appreciate your donation.